airplane.
Alright, show me.
I got airplane.
You got an airplane? What else did you get, Brady?
I got a watch. I got
Let me see.
a baseball.
And it look it right up.
Uh-huh.
Ball and
Cool.
glove.
What else did you get? Let me see, Brady.
I got.
Nice.
I also got this spy gear.
What's in there?
It's
And
a
the
telescope.
Brady, that one's mine. I don't.
What were you guys just playing on?
Brady, he took it. He took it.
What else were you just playing with on the
No,
TV?
he took my pirate.
Aiden, I hear you.
I wanted to show.
Brady, bring it over here. Let's see what that is. Show me. What is it?
These are mine.
Brady, can you show me what you were just playing on the TV?
No, that's mine. No, that's mine.
Hazel, what did you get for Christmas? What did you get for Christmas? Oh dear.